Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about pound USD. Okay, so it's been interesting for a couple of weeks now, and since the Brexit talk is heating up, then and then recently I saw just now a tweet. Let me just show you here. Um, this is the tweet, and I don't know how long ago was that. I mean, December 11, 2000. But I just saw it, and it's not pretty. It says Brexit, the Johnson, right? UK PM Johnson says, well, where I stand now, it's looking very, very likely we will have a no deal. That is not good. Okay. So, what can happen? Pound will tank, right? That's my opinion. I don't know about others. So let's see. Pound will get weaker. Now, I made this chart here in November 10th. On November 10th, the pound index daily chart, saying that this is the TL here, and this is what's happening. It's sort of a girdle pattern. This was an impulse move, and this looks like a correction, and then followed by an impulse move. And what will happen if that happens? That all pound pairs will go down. And since then, that is what's happening. So this to this chart, since then, what exactly happened till last Friday, the 11th, December 11th, is this. Right, so we dropped a little bit, we went up, we were regarding that 78%, and then start dropping. It's a daily chart, so each candle represent one day, and then we start dropping big time and all the way down to this TL that I was showing as a target. But this is not the final target, by the way. The target of these pairs are way below. If this could be wave 1 and 2, then followed by wave 3 to 1.618. Or at least AB equal to CD, that means that this length has to be equal to XA to this length. So we have more to come to the downside, maybe this low or this low or even this low or even lower. Now, with no deal Brexit, yeah, that is very much is going to happen. So what happened? And now on basis on that, I made this pound USD chart on the 2nd December. And I've been making new and new chart, but this was a very, very important chart because there was a TL 3502, big number, and 3514 was the final target. That we would go over there, and then I even tweeted on my Telegram channel that this is what the target is, and this 3502 number probably gonna hold, and we're gonna drop. So we did. We start dropping, right? So first trade that I did, this was a kind of like a second degree. I will show you later, but this is what happened so far. It went up a little bit, hitting this area 3502, 3514, and since then it's dropping back to 32, from 35 to 34. So 300 people already, and then you can see this is a weekly chart. Is one candle represent 1 week, so it's just starting. If we are going to go down, we have to go down big time. With no Brexit, no deal Brexit, we're gonna drop. Okay, this thing is gonna drop. So hopefully this is the very important number for the next week, 31.99. Okay, if we can manage to stay below the next target, the first next target would be 30.47, and then so on and so forth. These numbers will come into play. Then these 27.74, 27.05 will be very important, right? So first number is the first task is that to stay below 31.99, then to go to 30.47, and then 27.74. So let's see what happened. What I did so far of this drop from 35.02 is this. See this 35.14, this white line, and this white line is 35.02. So it went up there, and then this is my second degree setup, means that it is opposite of the trend. It goes towards the wave, not away from the wave. The first degree is this. This is the first degree trade. It goes away from the wave. This is the first degree trade. This is the first degree entry. This is the first degree entry. This is the first degree entry. All of it. First degree means retracing into the wave and then going away, start to go away. But this one I'm selling here towards the wave. So it's counter. And, once in a while, you got to take this one from the turning points, right? Extended turning points means, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave counts, extended SNR levels. Like in this case, it went up all the way, going up, 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 hitting this area. And we were expecting that it will make a turn. And then as soon as it makes the turn, you get in. That's a second degree setup. So this is one of those trade 80 pips. And then I took this one here on the 10th from 7-minute chart, sell entry here. This was an entry here, and then 50 pip, not much. But on the 11th, that's 105 pip trade to the downside here, pound USD. So far, decent, it's like 50 and 105 and then 80, right? So 105 and 80 is 185 plus 50, right? So 235 out of 300 pip drop, 300, 350, I got 250, 235. That's pretty good. And this is just a starting, by the way, more to come. But what is the final target? Where are we going? If no Brexit, what are the possibilities? It's very amazing. I made this chart here, pound USD monthly chart, on February 18th, 2018. Price was here, and I said we're going to drop here to 0.76. We were at 1.40. I'm talking about going to 75. That's 25 pip that, and then 40 pip here. So 4,000 here. It's a lot of pip. It's a big distance, but that's my calculation. I made this chart, and I kept it. And I've been using this chart as a target. So now this chart, this monthly chart, you can see where we are now. We went down here and we went up and hitting the TL right here. And this is where we are now. And no deal Brexit, boom, to the downside towards my target. Watch this. This is what, oops, not this one. Maybe I messed it up. Okay, you're seeing the same chart right here, this one. Let me just make sure that we are on the same page again. Still, okay, right? So this is, and then look what happened to this chart here, right? So from here we came down here and we hit the TL again, beautiful TL. And the last month, well, the last month or the current month right now, you can see that we went up 35.02, made the reversal from there, and we are dropping. The current candle has a black body, means it's bearish, and we have a wick on the top. It's 100% bearish right now. And as long as we stay below 35.02 and the TL, the target is, the first target right now is sort of 1.0696. That's the TL coming down here. And this 127% of this move to the upside. It's I think it's just a little bit messed up here. I don't know how it got messed up. Oh, it's a picture, so don't worry about it. Anyway, so yeah, my old chart is also a guide, and this is the one. All right, so we're gonna stick to this one, and let's see pound USD monthly chart. I just made it recently. Okay, so now what's happening on the pound index? Let me switch it to light Forex here. And this is what's happening, right? So pound index monthly chart looks like this. Obviously, the weekly chart is this, and the daily chart, forget about the daily, it's a monthly and weekly. So weekly chart is this, but the monthly chart, you can see that it's a big drop here that we went up, and then again, nice, beautiful drop. And this move here is very sideways, right? Which means that the pound is not getting strong enough. It's just keep getting weaker and getting ready to get weaker again, because no deal Brexit will make it weaker. Now we are going back towards, this is a current monthly chart. You can, and the current candle is bearish. We are on December 13th, halfway. So from the top, we came all the way down and very close to this biggest low from all this time, from here to here, 50 to 60. So we are right now at 54. A little bit more to the other. See, 54 is right there. This is the low. So we are sitting at that low. Below that, we have nothing except 52.60. And in this side, and we might have some, something here, 52.96. and maybe 53.29. These are the the one that we have to bypass. So that one, then this one, then 52.60, and bypass that one, and then you have other numbers in the bottom. So I really think that the pound is gonna get weaker and drag all pound pairs to the downside. And I already had made the chart for different pound, like weekly recap. You saw it, how many pound pairs I had last week traded, how many trades, right? A lot. And more to come, more to come. So pound USD, that's what it is. I just showed you again, and this is what's gonna happen. Let me see I think not this one though. There was a photo, probably this one. Now we can go back and all right, this is the chart that we have to pay attention. All right, I think I made a good, like a before chart out of this one, a new one, but the valid chart, this is still valid, right? This is still valid, and we are going down. All right, so keep an eye on that, and when the market comes up, and also, obviously, USD is also has to play a little bit of role in this drop. But regardless of USD, if no deal Brexit, pound is gonna get weak, weaker, big time, and that is possible. What I just showed you. So be aware of it and be ready. Now, I would not say that go to my website and subscribe, because my website right now is down, and I have something, like a migration to a hosting or something, and then GoDaddy people are doing something, and they messed it up, and it's down. Maybe by tomorrow it will be up and running, so you can join if you want. But until then, maybe I can just put my link here there. If you want to join, I will attach the link in below the video. This video is a description. Okay, so if you want to join, become a subscriber, you can just simply click on that and then go to that page and subscribe. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the week. Not week, weekend. Sorry. All right. So this is it.